Welcome in Sister Monique's Cuisine. So I share my kitchen to you, and thank you to all my subscribers and my new subscribers. Please continue to support this channel by liking it and share it. Please do not pass all my video and do not say anything. Please say something in order for me to keep posting videos. So say something or order my APs to support my channel. So this is a black rice that we're going to cook. This is pigeon beans and peas that are boiling with coconut water. And now in this part we put Haitian APs with oil, and this is some dry shrimp. So you can use fresh too, but I decided to use fresh, but in Haitian they call it tritri. So after it's frying, so I fry my pigeon beans with peas together, mix it very well and put some seasoning if you like. And this is the black mushroom water. We boiling the mushroom and we blend it and we strain it. This is the water after I strain it. So I add it to that rice and put some salt. If you use Maggi, you can put Maggi and bouquet garni. So, and you can add whatever dry piece you want to add to it, but I add black pepper if you eat black pepper, garlic and onion powders. So you can add paprika if you eat paprika, but this is what I use. And this is a basmati brown rice that make sure you clean it and you wash it very well to take more starch out of it. So now after the water is boiling with bouquet garni and whatever seasoning, so we add it to it and make sure the rice little bit cover. The rice is a little bit in the top, that make you know the rice not gonna be too soupy, because nobody wanna eat the soupy rice. And after that I let the spoon stand. You see, when the spoon stand does not fall, that means the rice is enough and it's not gonna fall. So after it's dry, we don't let it completely dry. We still have a little bit of water under it, not too much water, just a little bit, and we cover it. And after we cover it, we let it stay for like about 30 minutes. It depends how fast your stove is. And then bam, my rice is already done. So let's see it. So we're gonna take the pima, whatever we don't like on it, take it off. And look at the rice, family, not soupy, so well done and very tasteful, because it have coconut and it have shrimp. So it is tasteful, but it's optional. You don't have to add what I add. So this is the black rice, family. And now let's cook the chicken. It's a hand chicken, it's hard. So we use lemon, sour orange juice. So we're gonna make sure we clean it and we add vinegar on it. And I have some tea that I let boiling, and I put vinegar and salt and bouquet garni, whatever you want on your seasoning that I added in that hot water. I'm gonna rinse the chicken with it, and after I rinse it, so that's the time I'm gonna add my seasoning. So right now, look how I use all the lemon. Make sure I rub my chicken. So I do a little cut on it. When I do the little cut, so that means the seasoning can penetrate to inside the chicken. So after I rinse it really well, and I use the hot water, you're not gonna see it, but I already rinse it with the hot water. So now I use my hot pepper. So my hot pepper sauce that I already have it on my channel, and this is my Haitian APs. This is the base of the food, family. Please order my seasoning, my APs. Now I use garlic powder and onion powder to finish the seasoning, and I'm gonna add some salt too. I add black pepper and add Maggi if you like. So, and after I finish the seasoning, I'm gonna let it stay for about 30 minutes or more. So the longer you meat steak seasoning, the better taste you have, okay? So, and then after that, I'm gonna use my pressure cooker so to let it cook. So then after it's finished to cook, just take a time, family, watch the video, and please do not forget to share my video, to subscribe it, to keep me posting, and say something. When you say something, it gives me more motivation to share my family dinner with you. So I put more minutes so by meat can really cook, because it's a hot chicken, it's a hard chicken. So, and all, not all the pressure cooker are the same. So yes, and it is done. It is done. And after it's finished, I fry, family. And after it's finished to fry, and now this is the beet salad that I'm making. You're not gonna see everything, but I add some bechamel sauce, and look at this, and I put some cheese on it. So I put some bechamel sauce, and voila, family. Let me know.